One of my favorite tools for Azure is Azure Key Vault. I might be a little biased from my time at Microsoft. Great people working on that team, but it is just so cool. It keeps your secrets, keys, and certificates, and it can even auto-rotate your certificates. So if you're creating a self-signed certificate, it can automatically renew it and do all those things. However, when it comes to your own CA certificate, so let's say you have a private CA that you're using for AAD authentication or for service-to-service authentication, it cannot rotate it. So if I change it here for non-integrated CA, it changes to email contacts, which kind of loses a little bit of the magic of Azure Key Vault. So how can we get around it? The way I get around it is with EZCA. So EZCA, you probably know it, the Azure-based PKI that can be used for Intune, can be used for regular certificates. And one of the cool features that it has is our Key Vault certificate. So if I do here, I'm going to register a domain to my name, and I'm just going to do AKV demo. And then I'm just going to make me a domain owner. And I'm going to make myself also the requester. And I'm going to register that domain. So now I'm going to go to my domains. I'm going to do AKV demo. Going to go request certificate, and in here it automatically fills everything up. But if I go here, Azure Key Vault, it actually uses my token to check what key vaults I have access to, and you can see it found the one that I had right here, the AKV Central US, beautiful numbers, and it gives me the ability to auto renew. One of the cool things about auto renew is that it also allows me to renew the application ID. So as you probably know, Microsoft doesn't support automatic rotation of certificates with Entra ID applications. So what you can do here is you enter, so you would go back here and you would get your application, you would enter the application ID, and you upload the first certificate, obviously, because we don't have access to create it. But after that, so like you would copy this, put it here, you upload the first certificate you create, and then after that, when it auto-rotates, it's going to go in, sign the certificate, and upload the new certificate to application, allowing you to fully hands-off, rotate everything. In this case, I'm just not even going to do the auto-rotation because this is just a quick demo. And we're just going to request a certificate. So in less of the time that I go here and I click refresh, we can see here the AKV demo was created, and you can see it added an EZCA and a random number just so we know that it's managed by EZCA. We also have the certificate here. Private key never leaves the key vault. And then one of the cool things is the rotation. So, I could have set auto rotation in this case just because it's a demo. But if I go here, I can find the certificate. So you remember AKV 14, I click renew. And in a few seconds it renews. I go here and it renews the certificate. So it makes managing certificates in Key Vault so much easier. It's not only limited to Key Vault, we also have for Windows, Linux, and other places. So make sure to check out the rest of the videos, but this is a cool feature that I wanted to check out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this tool as much as we do.